You want to be a content creator, you're overthinking, you're wondering, okay, where do I even start from? I get it. You've seen people blow up online, make money from brands, and you also want the same thing, but you're asking yourself, can I really do this? Yes, you can. Most beginners fail because they start the wrong way. When I say they start the wrong way, this is what I mean. They tend to focus on the wrong things, the wrong metrics. First of all, you should know that going on social media is a long game, not something you can just go up overnight. You have to position your mind that, okay, I'm not going to focus about my subscribers, I'm not going to focus about my likes, my engagement, and everything. What I'm going to focus on is I'm going to post content like I belong here. Now, what I want to do is if you're a celebrity, yeah, like people already know you, how would your content be? Like, what will you be posting online? Are you going to think about, oh, it's just two people that is going to watch my videos, or you're just going to put that content out there because you know you're a celebrity, anybody will watch it. So start thinking that way. Create the best content and the people will later follow. The first video might not blow up, the second might not, even your 30th might not blow up. But you see, one of those videos, yeah, is going to put you out there and it's going to change everything, your stress and everything. So now going forward, this is what I want you to do. I want you to think see social media as an experiment for you. You post the first day, let me just see what will happen. You don't put your mind, so you don't expect, you don't put your mind on big expectations of, oh, I gained just 10 followers or I gained 10 views. Just experiment. Treat it like an experiment. That way you don't get attached to what you're doing. You are treating it as an experiment. Hope you get what I'm saying. So instead of you focusing on getting 100,000 followers, just focus on getting 1% better. Maybe today you are learning how to do auto captions. Tomorrow you are learning how to cut your videos. Like you are getting better 1%. If you are just starting, I'm not going to tell you to stick to one niche. I'm just going to tell you to experiment. Just do your experiment. Create content on what you love. With time, you will see what you love most and what you are willing to share freely. Now let's talk about picking a niche. People are talking about pick a niche, and you're wondering, what is this picking a niche? Do I really want to fit into one basket? So now this is what I'm going to advise you here. Start creating content on what you love. Not just what you love, what you know is going to be of value to others, what people who are going to pay you for. You need to understand that without you creating content that has value to other people, nobody's going to watch. That's the first thing you need to understand. So, for example, let me take myself for an example here. I'm a multifaceted person. I have interest in a lot of things. As I'm talking to you right now, the hair on my head, I made it on myself. You get? So I want to show people that if you put your mind and your time to it, you can do all these things by yourself. I love reading books. I love technology. I love all these things. So me bringing everything together into one niche is a struggle for me. So what I'm doing is I'm testing the waters. I'm posting content on what I love, the things I want to be doing. I'm doing everything all at once. With time, I'm going to find my path. So if you're in the same situation with me and you don't know where to start from, start posting everything you love. I also I also love fashion. Let me tell you, when it comes to clothes, I can pick clothes like match. And when I go out, you say, you know how to dress. I always get compliments. So I know I have skills on that one too. So you can see the struggle now. Should I be in makeup? Should I be in hair? Should I be doing dressing, teaching people how to dress, how to make? I hope you're getting this. So start creating content on everything you love, both tech, teaching people, everything. Start documenting your process and everything there. With time, you get to see what you actually love doing, and you're going to focus on that one. But for now, everywhere. Period. Another thing I want you to think about is choosing your platform. Yeah. So now I know the struggle of spread. You want to go everywhere at the same time. It's a struggle. I'm not going to lie to you. It's actually a struggle because you want to be on LinkedIn, you want to be on Instagram, you want to be on YouTube, you want to be on TikTok. Which of these platforms are you going to stick to and grow fast? Now let me tell you what I've come to understand here. If you are someone who is into tech, you want to be looking for jobs, you want to look for you're a 9 to 5 person, you want to go from one job to another, then LinkedIn will be your best place to start. And the beautiful part, I've been experimenting on LinkedIn for like 3 months now. I can tell you that it's faster to grow there more than on YouTube, more than on Instagram. start with two platforms. The first one is YouTube, and here is why. YouTube, with what I've heard, it's hard to grow on it. But if you're able to show up consistently, with time gets to reward you. And the fact that there is a threshold you get to and you start earning money from it, that's what I love about YouTube. Like you already know that okay, when I get to this stage, I'll start earning money from YouTube. But you see the rest platform here in Nigeria, because I'm in Nigeria, we don't make money on TikTok except you get to create a UK account or any country that TikTok is paying. We only earn money from live streams. We don't earn money for posting content like the US and the UK. You get. So the only good part about you being on TikTok is getting views and brands start reaching out to you. That's the only way we make money from TikTok and you selling your courses. That's one of the ways you make money from TikTok. But you getting money directly from TikTok, we are not part of them. Keep this at the back of your mind. Your first video will suck because every picture you send, nobody like their first video because they wonder, is it why was I even speaking like this? So don't feel bad. Don't think you want to create a perfect video before you post. Just post that video. It might not be perfect, but trust me, with time when you start doing it consistently, you get used to it and you become eloquent, you become straightforward, like you become very free. You won't even bother what other people think about your first post or your first video. Even you, maybe later in the future, you come back and be like, how was I even talking like this? It happens to everybody. So it's not just you. So don't think about it. Just post it. The final one here is consistency. Consistency beats perfection. If you are showing up every single day, or maybe if you want to post on YouTube, you promise yourself, I'm going to posting 3 videos in a week. Those 3 videos, please stick to those 3 videos because you're just starting. Don't slack. Maybe after you build your audience and people already know who you are, they're already used to you, they're familiar with you, and reduce it to two, maybe later every week, at least in a week, post one long form video. Then for your TikTok is very easy to create. If you want to create, you can just decide to schedule it. Okay, this week I'm going to post engaging video and something to create something serious. Maybe in the morning, like when you're washing your face, doing get ready, you just post something. Just post. Focus on consistency and not perfection because these are the two killers of content creators when they are starting because they want to think, oh, this camera is not facing where I want it to face. The light is doing somehow. Or what I was saying here is not. Mm-mm. Don't think about perfection. Just be consistent. Just be posting. No matter how bad, sharp post it. Just post that content and just let it go. Don't even think about it. When time you post, just close the app. Run away. So maybe when you want to come back is when you want to repost on down. So you don't hurt your feelings. Remember I told you to treat it like an experiment. You're not coming there to think about what engagement you're getting, how many videos are you getting, how many likes you're getting, how many watch hours, and you're not going to think about that. You're going to promise yourself, because even me, I'm on this journey. I want to, from now to the end of this year, I want to make sure I post like 100 videos on YouTube. And trust me, with those 100, I believe one of them is going to change my life for good. So make sure you also do the same thing. Treat it as an experiment. You know, you're that kind of person that you want to think, you're always thinking, okay, what are my friends going to see when they see me? Like, so this one want to be an influencer. Block them ASAP. Just block them. They won't recommend your post to them. They're going to see you. Block them straight. By the time you block them, you have this peace of mind that okay, when I post, person is not going to see my post. Okay, block them for your own sanity. So you get to show up for you. Maybe by the time you now go viral, you're not a celebrity. Unblock them. Let them come and enjoy your success. Let them come and see how far you've come for yourself. So don't think about it. Just post. If you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and save for later. You can always come back to this. Like, and that's the only fee I'm collecting from you. Just that like button is the only fee I'm collecting from you for giving you so much value. Just hit the like button. And if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. I will always make sure to reply every single comment. Okay? So make sure to hit the like button. Drop your questions in the comment section. And if you need further explanation on anything you want me to explain to you, let me know in the comment section. For now, I love you. Have a great day. Bye.